Ta-da! Oh my God! What's so in the box, guys? Can you guess what's in the box? Hi guys! Today is February 14, 2021 and happy Valentine's Day to you all! I want to unbox my Valentine gift with you. This was the surprise given to me by Michael today and I'm very happy. Can you see another big smile on my face? So, let's not waste time. Let's unbox this super fancy card. Initially, I thought it was a letter V, but my husband corrected me. It's not really V for Valentine, but it is a heart. It's Cartier's special edition Valentine card for its customers. See? The heart is made up of several boxes of Cartier jewelry box. Very fancy, right? And when we open the card, ta-da! There's a love letter. And I'll read it to you. To my ever-loving wife, Kathy, Happy Valentine's Day. Woo! I love you always and forever. Thank you for everything, for all the things you've done for us as a wife and as a mother to our children. I haven't said all the time, but I really appreciate your time and effort, your touch, your gifts, your service. Oh my God, service, katulong, ganon, katulong levels, and your words of love and kindness. Woohoo! When it is time to declare your love, Cartier celebrates with you. My sugar Kathy. Daddy, ginawa mo ba to or print ng Cartier? May printer kayo?
No.
May calligraphies? Ooh, my husband said they have a calligraphist or calligraphist nga ba ang tawag doon? They have a calligraphist who did this special font just for me. A calligraphist in the Cartier boutique did this. Very sweet! Thank you very much! Halika dito, ayaw niyo magpakilala. Very shy ang aking asawa, but he gave me this very special love letter. And of course, the gift. Okay guys, we also have the certificate from Cartier over here. It says, made in 18K gold or in platinum. We certified that this is an authentic Cartier jewel. Wow! There's a date, and the individual serial number is there. For every purchase, you get the certificate. Now, let's unbox this beauty. If you saw my previous YouTube video a few months ago, I unboxed Michael's gift. Last year for me was the what is this? The balloon blue. The balloon blue watch from Cartier. This is the one. I've already worn it. It's very pretty. And I'm gonna unbox another one. This one is also Cartier. This is the Trinity ring. He gave it to me last Christmas of 2020. The Cartier Trinity ring. Yeah, Christmas of 2020. No, Christmas of 2019. Christmas of 2019. This is another Cartier from Michael. The Trinity ring, he gave it to me on Christmas of 2019. And then the balloon blue gift for my birthday. And today, Valentine's Day. Woohoo! Ibig sabihin nun, sa mga susunod na okasyon, mayroon pa akong Cartier. So, may susunod, Daddy, ha? Easter, birthday, lahat na celebration, Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr. Let's expect. Okay, let's now open. As usual, It is wrapped in the white Cartier wrapping paper with the signature Cartier ribbon. So let's unbox it. Very excited. I hope this is the one I wanted. And I wanted a jewelry for so long. Can you guess what it is? Okay, in true Cartier style, it doesn't have tapes on the side. But why is there no stamp? Daddy?
No time.
There's no stamp. I was looking for that Cartier red stamp. But he said there's no time. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Oh! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ta-da! My justeunclou! I have my justeunclou. Yes, I wanted this for so long. You know, I was choosing between the love bracelet or the justeunclou, but I chose this over the love bracelet because it's just much easier to wear, plus I love the style. I always told Michael I like to buy the nail type, and it is the justeunclou. Daddy, this is in yellow gold. How do you wear this, Daddy? Can you please wear it on
Pink gold. Pink gold, yeah.
This is the justeunclou pink gold. I think it's 16 inches. 16 inches, it's my size. Michael will now wear it on my wrist, which is so ready for...
To open, there's a clip here.
To open the justeunclou,
Just press.
there's a clip here.
Press
Can I
on.
do it alone? Okay.
Like this.
Can you do that? Oh! Wow! Look at that! It's the full-size justeunclou bracelet. There's a thinner version of this, but actually you would love the regular size. It looks very pretty, right? Very elegant. You can put a thinner one with the diamond. The diamond one is really expensive. Okay, we have a meeting. I love my justeunclou. My justeunclou bracelet looks so pretty. Daddy! Beken naman sa susunod my justeunclou ring. To Wafa, when you grow older, Mommy will give this to you. Wow, Wafa! Be good to Mommy. So this, guys, is the pink gold version. We have the yellow gold version, but when I visited the Cartier store, they told me that the pink gold looks better on my skin tone. So there are certain skin tones that match the color of the gold. Like this one is the pink gold. It doesn't really look like pink gold. It's not really pink, but the yellow gold looks very bright yellow, and I prefer this actually. If you look at it, there's not much difference from the yellow gold. This is a yellow gold ring. It's just right. Look at that vein. That vein, guys. I found so many pronunciations online about how to say this J-U-C. Some say justeunclou, some say justeunclou, some say justeunclou. Perhaps it's easier to just call it the nail bracelet. The justeunclou, which literally translates to just a nail, is a collection of rings and bracelets that are exactly the finest of fine jewelry. If you cannot decide whether to choose pink gold or yellow gold, then I would suggest you go to the shop and have a try, check how it looks against your skin tone. Another thing to consider is whether you have more yellow gold on your jewelry or more pink gold. Since this is my first pink gold jewelry, I think I'm gonna use it alone. To remove, guys, you press this and pull out. So, pardon my dry to put back, you just push it in this part, pull it apart to put it back, press it in, listen to the click. I see many people stuck it with the love bracelet, or if you have 2 or 3 justeunclou bracelets, you can stack them together. It should be one size lesser than the other. If you have the diamond one, it would look amazing. So that's it, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Give love, spread love, share love. And thank you for watching. Till the next Cartier unboxing. Stay safe, guys. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Bye! Thank you, Appa, for making Mommy a card. Can you read it for Mama, please?
To Mom from Appa. Happy Valentine's Day. Dear Mom, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for giving birth to me and Kuya. Haha. Thank you for also cooking better than
Cooking better I'll tell you to Ate Pen.
No, it's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret. You don't mean it? Do you mean it? Do you mean it? Then?
And then it says, time to clean, time to chillax. Girls rule, we love you. Girls power, hug me. XOXO. 14 to 2021.
Thank you for watching again, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cartierunboxing, to check out future videos on travel, family, and lifestyle.